Hello friends, my name is Masu. Today we shall discuss about topic machine learning and artificial intelligence in cloud computing. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in cloud computing and you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. Basically, friend, whenever we talk about cloud computing, we are referring to the remote servers. Remote servers means the servers which are residing in, for example, in USA, Canada, and they are offering different services like application services, software, infrastructure, storage. So many services are there providing, and there are multiple cloud service providers are there in market nowadays. For example, Microsoft Azure, Google, AWS, Amazon. So machine learning and artificial intelligence AI in the cloud represents a convergence of advanced technologies that empower organizations to leverage sophisticated algorithms, data processing capabilities, and computational resources without the need for extensive on-premises infrastructure. This integration offers scalable solutions, efficient model training, and seamless deployment of artificial intelligence applications. So first we will talk about machine learning in the cloud. Machine learning involves training algorithms to recognize patterns, make predictions, or perform tasks without explicit programming. In the cloud, machine learning services provide scalable platforms for model development, training, and deployment. If you just see the term, friend, machine learning, that means machine is learning just like a human being. For example, a child is there who is age of 5 years, for example. So from 5 to 6 years he will learn from his experiences, from his mistakes, and with the passage of time he is learning. Similarly, machine learning is also basically learning the things, and with basically without any explicit programming, with its data, actually it is learning from the data. So that is why it is called as machine learning actually. Now if we can talk about the key components, like cloud platforms offer scalable and secure data storage solutions for managing large data sets using in machine learning training. So data storage is very important. Then compute resources means cloud providers offer powerful virtual machines and specialized hardware, for example GPU and TPU, to accelerate machine learning model training here as well. Then machine learning frameworks means cloud services support popular machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit learn streamlining the development process. AutoML means that automated machine learning tools in the cloud simplify the ML process, enabling users with limited ML expertise to build and deploy models here as well. Then cloud ML services means Google Cloud AI platform, AWS SageMaker, Azure machine learning. These services provide end-to-end ML workflows from data pre-processing to model deployment with managed infrastructure here as well. If we talk about the advantages, are scalability means cloud platforms offer on-demand resources, allowing organizations to scale ML workloads based on their computational needs here as well. Next is the collaboration means the cloud-based ML platform facilitate collaboration among data scientists and developers, enabling seamless sharing of resources and model here as well. Then managed services means ML services in the cloud often include managed infrastructure, reducing the operational burden on organizations here as well. Then artificial in the cloud means artificial intelligence encompasses a broader range or set of technologies including machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and many more. Artificial intelligence in the cloud involves deploying artificial applications and services through cloud platforms. So that means basically, friend, we all know that future is basically of artificial intelligence, and many organizations and applications are moving towards the artificial intelligence. Similarly, the cloud computing is having an integration with artificial intelligence, means that nowadays the future based applications will be based on cloud platforms, and they will be using the artificial intelligence here as well. If we talk about the key components, are ML services means cloud platforms integrate machine learning services into their AI offerings for tasks like image recognition, sentiment analysis, and language translation. So friend, from here you can see a great thing like image recognition, or even the more important sentiment analysis. Like for example, whatever you are writing, they will the system will recognize your sentiments, like your emotions here as well. Then cognitive services means cloud providers offer pre-built AI capabilities known as cognitive services, which include vision, speech, language, and decision making services. So from here you can think of that how much artificial intelligence is growing and how much they are share in the future as well. Then bot frameworks means cloud service providers tool for developing and deploying chatbots and conversational AI based applications. We all knows that nowadays we are using like chatbot, for example chat gpt and other types of chatbots that are totally dependent on the AI based applications, and nowadays they are very common and popular here as well. Then APIs and SDKs means access to APIs and software development kit SDK allow developers to integrate AI capabilities directly into the applications here as well. Now we can talk about cloud-based AI services like the Google Cloud AI, AWS AI services, Azure Cognitive Services. So these services provide a range of pre-built AI capabilities that can be easily integrated into the applications. So basically, friend, the biggest you can say the big players like Google, AWS, Azure. So they all are having pre-built AI capabilities or artificial based capabilities are there. The advantages are ready-made solutions means cloud AI services offer pre-built models in APIs, enabling organizations to implement AI functionality without extensive development effort here as well. So these are the ready-made solutions. Then integration with other cloud services means AI capabilities can be seamlessly integrated with other cloud services, facilitating comprehensive and cohesive solutions which are acceptable and economical for the users or customers here as well. Next is the scalability means cloud platform provide scalable infrastructure to handle varying keywords, workloads, and ensure consistent AI performance. Then so friend, these are the very big advantages of the for the artificial intelligence and machine learning for the cloud computing here as well.